Hello, good morning everyone. Today is April 29. Charot, ang arte. Yeah, so, it's raining, but I don't care. I don't care if it's raining, as long as I wanna go out. Yeah, I wanna go to Nanay Deli. Hello, Nanay Deli, I'm coming. I'm gonna eat lunch in there, you know. I love it. Hey, it's a beautiful day. Yung feeling mo talaga na kumanta. Ay, biglang nag-iba. Ayan, so, bye. It's raining. Happy raining. Happy raining. It's a beautiful day. Whatever it is, it's a beautiful day. Okay? Bye. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. O, diba? Look at that. Yan, shopping time. Shopping time daw. Ano ba yung pinag-shopping? Ayan, oh, kamote. Kuha na kasi kami eh. Health is wealth kasi. So, yan. Yes, health is wealth. Ano ka bang, sana true? True naman talaga. Look at that. We buy sweet potato. Charot. Arte-arte. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Aldi. Ayan. So, kahit maulan, talagang pumunta pa talaga kami dito. Walang makakapigil sa amin kasi health is wealth. Charot. Ayan, we need to pay.